Ribosomes, protein synthesizer of the cells. Introduction to ribosomes, cell factory, site for protein synthesis, also known as translational apparatus, non-membranous organelle, mostly attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum, also found free, made up of rRNA and ribosomal protein. This is the structure of ribosomes. This is the protein chain, ribosomes, rough endoplasmic reticulum. How did we know about it? First observed during mid-1950 by George Emil Palade by electron microscope as a dense particle, first named microsomal particle. Its detailed structure was discovered in 2000 and 2001. Types of ribosomes classified according to their location. Membrane-bound ribosomes synthesize protein for membranes and exocytosis, used outside the cells, attached to endoplasmic reticulum and other organelles. Free ribosomes found ribosomes in cytoplasm. These are the free ribosomes. Synthesize protein that functions inside the cytosol, used inside the cell, for example, food metabolism. Structure and composition, made up of rRNAs and distinct ribosomal proteins. Prokaryotic or eukaryotic RNA and 40 to 80 different proteins arranged into two pieces while translation. Small ribosomal subunit is 30 S and large ribosomal subunit is 50 S. Large subunit contains the active site of ribosomes. The sites where new peptides bonds are formed, green, contains amino acyl binding site containing peptidal binding site. It uses peptidal transferase to catalyze the process, made up of two rRNA strands, yellow and orange, and many protein strands, blue. Ribosome structures. This is the exit site, aminoacetal binding sites. This is the peptide binding site. This is the transfer RNA molecules, growing peptide chain, large ribosomal subunit, and small ribosomal subunit. This is the messenger RNA, nucleotides, and these are also messenger RNA terminus. This is the ribosomal structure and function in protein synthesis. Small subunit in charge of information flow, pairing codon with anticodons, intake of mRNA. mRNA enters through the opening in the left side, made up of rRNA, which are orange, and protein strand blue, contains the entry and exit site of mRNA. These are the structures, that is 30 years, 70 years, 50 years. Ribosomes biogenesis. It is the process of making ribosomes in the nucleus. The protein parts made in the cytoplasm, ribosomes, then transferred to the nucleus, nuclear pores. rRNA are transcribed in the nucleolus. The ribosomal protein and rRNA binds together. Small and large subunits are made. They are transported out of nucleus pore. These are the small and large. Functions of ribosomes. The one and only function is protein synthesis. This process is called translation. Begin with transcription of mRNA in the nucleus. mRNA travels to the cytoplasm with specific codes. It binds with the small subunit of the ribosomes. The two subunits come together. tRNA transfer amino acids to the ribosomes. Translation is started by AUG codon, that is adenine, uline, and guanine codon. Starting amino acid is methionine. Amino acid is attached in the active site to form peptide chain. Synthesis is stopped when a stop codon comes UAA, UGA, and UAG. The chain exits through the exit tunnel into the cytoplasm. Functional requirement. A secure site for operation formed by binding of two subunits. A supply of information or blueprint supplied by nucleus through the mRNA. A supply of amino acid to build from transferred by tRNA acquired from food. Means of releasing it into cytoplasm. Exit through the exit tunnel or cleft large subunit. Reaction to antibiotics. Several antibiotics work by inhibiting synthesis of prokaryotic ribosomes. Some antibiotics, such as streptomycin, inhibit the small subunit, while other antibiotics, such as erythromycin, inhibit the large subunit. Antibiotics may not affect eukaryotic cell ribosomes. The cytoskeleton. The eukaryotic cell is a 3D structure. It has a cytoskeleton anchored to protein in the plasma membrane. These proteins both maintain shape and allow movement. The cytoskeleton is a dynamic structure as the microfilament microtubules can depolymerize and repolymerize very easily. These are the cytoskeletons. Structure. Network of filamentous protein. Filament from a few proteins. Monomer protein forms polymer filament located in nucleus and cytoplasmic compartment, not within organelle. Location based upon cellular function. Name on basis of physical size. Functions based upon the filament physical properties, integral strength, cell shape, motility, inside the cell, whole cell, and motor protein associated with two filament systems. Signal transduction. Note the extracellular matrix has a similar structural role outside of the cell. Cytoskeleton filament, microfilament, microtubules, and filaments. Intermediate filament, different cell type, different intermediate filament, all eukaryotes, nuclear, cytoskeleton the same. Resist stresses applied externally to the cell cytoplasm. 10 nanometer diameter. Cross-linking protein allows interaction with other cytoskeleton network. Intermediate filament associated protein coordinate interaction between intermediate filament and other cytoskeletal elements and organelles. Human disorder, mutation, weaken structural framework, increase the risk of cell rupture. Intermediate filament, large tensile strength, main function is to help the cell withstand mechanical strength or stress. Intermediate filament, there are four classes of intermediate filament, that is cytoplasmic, which is keratin, vimentin and vimentin related, and neurofilaments. These are keratin are in epithelia, vimelin and vimentin related in connective tissue, muscle cells and glial cells, neurofilaments in nerve cells, and nuclear lamins in all animal cells. Some functions of intermediate filament. Intermediate filament provides mechanical strength and resistance to shear stress. There are several types of intermediate filament, each constructed from one or more protein characteristics of it. Microtubules, 25 nanometer diameter to 14 nanometer internal channel tubulin cytoplasmic. All cells contain same core structure, same motor dynein, that is positive, and kinesin. Sorry, dynein is negative and kinesin is positive. Different associated protein, dynamic, continuous remodeling. Movement, intercellular and cellular. cell division, mitotic spindle, specialized structure, centrosome spindle pole, and cell process, cilia, that is 9+2. Microtubule structure. This is the structure of microtubules. Structure of microtubule, the red color is tubulin, that is beta tubulin, and blue color is alpha tubulin. Tubulin heterodimer and microtubules top end views are like this. Microtubule protofilaments are like this, which are alternately arranged. Some functions of microtubules. Microtubules participate in a wide variety of cell activities. Most involve motion that is provided by protein motors that use ATP. They determine the position of membrane in closed organelles and direct intercellular transport. The migration of chromosomes during mitosis and meiosis takes place on microtubules that make up the spindle fiber. Microfilament twisted chain of 7 nanometer diameter. Most abundant protein in cells, 5% of all cell protein. Motility, adhesion, actin binding proteins, myosin motors, and muscle actin. Actin filaments are found in all eukaryotic cells. They form structures such as microvilli, small contractile bundles, dynamic protrusion, and the contractile ring. This is the microvilli. This is the small contractile bundle. These are the dynamic protrusions and the contractile ring or cytokinesis. Actin filaments are 7 nanometer in diameter thickness, and two filaments of actin monomers, all of which point in the same direction, twist around each other. Actin filament is F-actin. Actin has polarity, positive end having a addition and negative end is having a loss. Actin filament can bind and hydrolyze ATP. Like tubulin, ATP-bound actin has a higher affinity to form a filament. ADP actin is more likely to disassemble. Actin ATP adds positive and negative end. Actin ATP then disassembles negative sides. Cell crawling depends on actin. Three main actin structure that cell use to move, that is phylopodium, lamellopodium, and contractile bundle. Some functions of actin filaments are to provide mechanical strength to the cell by forming a band under the plasma membrane, link transmembrane protein to cytoplasmic protein, form contractile ring during cytokinesis in animal cell, cytoplasmic streaming, generate locomotion in cells such as white blood cells and amoeba, interact with myosin to provide force of muscular contraction. Summary of the cytoskeleton: organize the structure and activities of the cell. The cytoskeleton interacts with motor protein. The cytoskeleton also plays a major role in cell motility. There are three main types of fiber in the cytoskeleton: microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filament. Microtubules, the thickest fiber, are hollow rod about 25 micron in diameter. Microfilaments, the thinnest class of the cytoskeletal fibers, are solid rods of the globular protein actin. Microfilaments are designed to resist tension. Intermediate filament, intermediate in size of 7 nanometer, are specialized for bearing tension. Intermediate filaments are more permanent fixture of the cytoskeleton than are the other two classes. Thank you.